Hello, 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 you beautiful people. Welcome back to Hammocks and Hummingbirds. I'm Clara and I am in the middle of my camping road trip in the United States. I am currently somewhere either in North Carolina or Tennessee. I'm not really sure which state I am in right now. It is about day 6 of our road trip on the motorbike, and today I want to show you our amazing campsite that we have found. It took a while because let's say the first 3 campsites that we found were they were so-so. As I told you in my other video, link below, the last few nights we actually literally slept next to black bears. We saw them, we heard them, they were literally at our campsite, and that was pretty scary. And we got a bit tired of black bears next to our campsite because it is scary. I got very anxious at night and I had many nightmares, and we just didn't want to sleep next to black bears anymore in our hammocks. So we decided that we are going to look for a better campsite that has an opening, preferably by the water. We checked out a lot of pins on Google Maps and we were like, okay, let's go check this place out here. And we got really lucky. It is amazing. Let me show you guys. This is the road that goes next and along the lake. This is our bike we're traveling with. And then here is our beautiful campsite. The great thing about it is that it is legal, it is free, and you don't have to worry about bears around here. So we hung this tarp to get a little bit of privacy, and not everyone can look in, and it looks a bit busier because honestly, with just the bike parked up there and our 2 hammocks, the camp doesn't look so full, but we want to preferably stay alone here, so we just made it look a little busier than it actually is. The first night we hung our hammocks right here because a lovely man that had already occupied this campsite offered us to stay up here because it was the only one free. And then the next morning he left really early and we were able to take over the whole campsite, so that was really cool. And all this is our campsite. With a fire pit, table, little pole with a hook to hang your things, and back there is where we sleep. I'll show you that better in a few moments. At night we actually have to wear a lot of layers. It gets really cold, and I usually wear leggings, 2 pair of pants and my rain pants to keep the isolation going, and on top I wear 2 t-shirts, 1 long sleeve, 1 fleece, which is really thick, this one, and my rain jacket on top. And I'm really happy that I bought a little blanket because I really need it. It gets super cold at night still. And even with all those layers, I'm just perfect. You can probably imagine how cold it gets at night. I already made a little fire this morning, but now it's kind of blowing out. I'll have to restart that soon. But we got really lucky. Yesterday, a man pulled up with his Jeep and he asked if we would mind if he would drop some firewood up by the road that we could use. It's a tree that fell in his yard and he wanted to get rid of it. And he was wondering if we would mind for some firewood. And we got all this wood to burn. That's what we were searching for around here. That's great for starting the fire, and this actually lasts properly and burns for quite a while. We hang our food up here, and all the foods that are open or very smelly we actually still hang up bear safe because, I mean, there's still bear territory here. It is just very civilized and we don't expect to have any bears here, but as you can see, our food is saved up here and we can pull it down if I need it. I'll just get it down and then hang it back up. And now let me show you our campsite where we sleep. Our 2 little easy hammocks. One here and 1 hammock here. You can see all our warm clothes are still in it, and tonight we actually have to figure out something better. Yesterday I was meant to sleep from this tree to here and my boyfriend over here, but I got a bit anxious with all the noises in the woods and the bears the few nights before, so I was like, can I squeeze in under your tarp? And we snuggled the hammocks back together under this tarp just to keep a little bit of warmth together and to be a little warmer. I do believe that we are lower than the nights before, so it should be warmer, but the lake actually brings quite a bit of moist and cold at night. So we still have to figure out how to change our hammocks to be more comfortable but still warm together. Our little night light up here with the hammocks. The 2 suspensions, 1 for each hammock. And you can see a lot of the clothes that we wear at night that are much necessary. Our motorbike helmets just dangle up here so no one can steal them at night, and that's how we attach it. At night we actually store all our valuables in our one backpack that we share together and lock it with this amazing lock to the table. Now let me get this fire back going. It has died almost, but it's still very hot because we kept it hot. And now I'm gonna make it back. Our little heat source all day and evening, and it's just fun to make a fire. Honestly, I love making fires. Today is actually the first fully sunny day, and I am so excited to jump into the water. I did jump in yesterday and it was pretty cold, but if you don't have showers, you learn to appreciate a cold lake as well. But today it's sunny and I'm so excited to actually wash some clothes because it's very necessary by now, and I'm gonna do that while I'll jump into the lake. Have washed and hung most of our clothes today. It is the first hot day, so I hope it's all gonna dry before it's getting dark, because we need those clothes at night, especially our leggings and thermal clothes. I just hope the sun is gonna do its job and dry everything before the night. And now it is actually time to eat something, relax. I am probably going to edit my next YouTube video. My tablet still has some battery, so I'm gonna work on that. That's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love this campsite. It is very calm and peaceful and just an amazing spot. We will definitely be staying on this spot for a few days. Legally, you can stay up to 14 days on this campground within 30 days. So we can definitely stay a few more days here before we hit the road again and just enjoy our life here. Really enjoy it. But to not miss what's coming up next, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel Hammocks and Hummingbirds so you'll see where this road trip leads next. I don't know yet. You'll see, we'll see, I'll see, you'll see in the next video for sure. See you guys, bye!